For the first example, for simple interest, if you borrowed money from your friend with simple interest of 12%, find the present worth of 50,000 which is due at the end of 7 months. So here we analyze what are the given. So we have here 12%. So let us list down the given. So 12% is the value of I, can be rewritten as 0.12. Then find the present worth of 50,000 which is due at the end of n months. So at the end of 7 months, the due amount is 50,000. Therefore, we have F equals 50,000 pesos. And our n is 7 months. So n must be expressed in the number of years. So in order to do that, we divide it by 12. So that is the value of n, and we are required to solve for the present worth P. So the cash flow diagram would look like this. So you borrowed money, so money in, so you have a P of unknown. Then so let's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this is the number of months. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is in terms of months. And your future worth of 50,000 is due at the end of 7 months, which is located here. F is equal to 50,000 pesos. Now we solve for the value of P. So we have the formula P is equal to F over 1 plus I n. So we have F over, so F is 50,000 divided by 1 plus I multiplied by n of 7 over 12. So I forgot my calculator, so let me get my calculator first. We have P of 50,000 divided by 1 plus I times n. Now we have present worth of 46,728.97 pesos. Now let's solve sample problem number 2. States that a price tag of 1,200 is specified if paid within 60 days, but offer a 3% discount for cash in 30 days. Find the rate of interest. So here, we can solve this problem if we draw the correct cash flow diagram. So here, let's specify, or let's define what are those given. So we are required to solve for the rate of interest. So the required value is I. So it is said that if paid within 60 days, the price tag is worth, or the price is worth 1,200 pesos. So now let's create the cash flow diagram. So this is 60 days. So the price is 1,200 pesos. But if paid within 30 days, your amount offer a 3% discount for cash. So meaning to say, this amount is, let's call this P. So meaning to say, your P is equal to 1,200 minus, so 3% of 1,200, so 0.03 times 1,200. You have your P equal to 1,200 minus 0.03 times 1,200. So the value of P is 1,164 pesos. So this is the discounted amount of the certain product. So if this is your P, 1,164 pesos, and this is your F, 1,200 pesos. So what is the period? So we consider this period from 30th day to 60th day. So this period is equal to 30 days. Now, what is N? N is equal to, so to convert this into number of years, we divide 30 by 360. So why we divide the value 30 to 360 and not 365? So we have the two types of simple interest. We have the ordinary simple interest. If the dates are not given, so we use 360 days per year. On the other hand, If the dates and the year is specified, we use the exact simple interest, wherein we have 365 days for 1 year. Now this problem is a problem of ordinary simple interest. Now we have P. So again, we have P equals 1,164 pesos. We have F equals 1,200. We have N equals 330 over 360, or 1 over 12 year. Now we can solve for the value of I. So for the solution, we have the formula F is equal to P times 1 plus I N. So we have 1,200 equals P of 1,164 times 1 plus I. So I and N is 1 over 12. Now, let's solve for the value of I. So we have 1,200 equals 1,164 multiplied by 1 plus 1 over 12 times the interest. So let's solve for the value. So we have the value of I of 0.3711 or 37.11%. So we can also use the formula of I equals PIN, where in your I here, or that is your discount. I is 1,200 minus 1,164 equal to 36 pesos. So substitute, we have 36 equals P times I times N. We have I equals, so let's see if we arrive at the same value. So we have I is 36 times 12 over 1,164. So we have again 0.3711 or 37.11%. So we have the same value of I using two different solutions.